Good morning, everyone. I'm about to walk into the Tracy Aviary's Nature Center along the Jordan River. I believe it's now called the Tracy Aviary at Pia Okwai. I think that's how it's pronounced, but super excited. I love birding along the Jordan River, but never really been along this stretch. And there's been some Wilson's warblers and western tanagers spotted here recently, which are two birds I need for the challenge that I'm doing this year. So let's see if we can come across them and check out the Nature Center for the first time. This nature center is gorgeous. They have so many areas for birds to use, the trees, the feeders and everything. I'm pretty blown away because this place is like fairly brand new. It was built just recently, and once all these trees start growing, it is going to be a bird haven, which is so cool. I hear a warbler. I'm pretty sure it's a yellow warbler, but trying to get eyes on it, I just cannot find it in these trees. So between some off-camera hikes and Global Big Day, I haven't updated you on my progress on the Birds of Utah challenge. Well, I just added a lifer, and one that counts towards the list, this beautiful colored western tanager, is my 99th bird. You can always follow the progress on my website, which is linked down below, but doing pretty well in the challenge for the year. Just got my first ever western tanager. Let's go. That's such a beautiful bird. It's like reddish and yellow. So pretty. I've always wanted to see those. I've seen actually statues of them at some friends' houses and stuff, but never seen one in person, so that's so awesome to finally get that on my life list and check it off the challenge. Following that tanager, we saw a few black-billed magpies around the area. Very noisy, but also super pretty birds, including this one with only one leg. Then I unfortunately came up against an unknown flycatcher that was so hard to ID. It's very hard to tell flycatchers apart. If anyone has any ideas, let me know. I know these aren't the best shots. Another beautiful day of birding along the Jordan River. Just awesome weather out there. First time ever for me too, checking out the Jordan River Nature Center. The Nature Center at Pia Okwai. Like I said, I think that's how you pronounce it. Sorry if I've been getting that wrong. But just a gorgeous area. And got my first ever western tanager, so super happy about that. Saw a bunch of other cool species too. Hope you enjoyed coming along with me. Thank you as always for watching, and I will see you in the next video.